Hi Jack, this is Josh at Encore Mustang Parts. Just before I pack up the trunk lid, I wanted you to get a fresh look at it, make sure you know exactly what it's going to look like when it arrives. So I'm sure it was described accurately in the listing, but here's again a fresh look at it because that was listed a few weeks ago, a few months ago maybe. And it's got a couple of dings in it. Looks like it's maybe had one or two paint jobs to it, but it is original Ford with the VIN tag on it. And the rust that was shown. I just want you to get a real good look at it today. Make sure you're going to be able to work with it. It's going to be as it's shown. You get the emblem, you get the lock,